Here we go, the Chrysler. It's a 2005 year made Grand Voyager, and if you have a problems with the gearbox, you don't have a gears, you have a limp mode, basically you cannot drive it. You have limp mode on the screen, the problem is your electronic control unit. So when you're replacing it, you have to make sure that all these numbers is the same, but actually it's not important software number. Basically the first one, PN number, have to be the same. Software number can be actually different, doesn't matter so much, but actually as much numbers you get the same is good. You will ask why this engine control unit is in so bad condition. In so bad condition, look on that. It's all the way around rusty, damaged and cracked and completely gone. And first of all, there is no communication with the engine control unit, not the engine control unit, but the gear control unit. It's completely bad. Look, the location is there, and you can guess why it's so bad condition, because everything is from that wheeling. There is a plastic cover, but it holds a lot. Probably if you use this car in the normal country, well, you don't have a winter and the snow and the rain and stuff like that, like Italy probably, it will be nice. But here in Latvia it's not possible. Long life living for this electronic control unit. Actually, another thing, the symptoms where you can get if you getting some kind of limp mode on the screen in the dash, you have to make sure these pins is correctly plugged in. All these pins have to be connected good, and sometimes they're getting wrong, like in this case, and then you don't got all gears in the dashboard. So let's go inside and see how this everything looks like. So we already replaced the ECU. This is another one, used one. It's not in the best condition, but as long as it's working pretty fine and there's no problem with it. So the ignition is on. His camera is a little bit running all the way around, but not the big deal. Actually, you can see the park. So when we start up the car, then you can see we have now all gears. This is a reversed, the neutral, the drive, gear 3, L. So all of them is working pretty fine. There is none of problem. Before that you have all these lights on, fault in the system. So let's go and see what we have in error memory. Let's go inside error memory. And look, there is no errors, faults in the 5-speed automatic transmission. So everything is perfect. What you need to do, go adjustment and settings, and after replacing the electronic control unit, adaptation of transmission and clutch parameters have to be done. Secure vehicle in position, parking brake applied, engine idling, press brake pedal, set selector level to D. So that's what we're gonna do. Set it to D. Perfect. And now just click continue button. Perform adaptation, start. Please wait. Now it says put it in a neutral gear. So that's what you do. Put it in neutral, look, good. And now it says selector lever, set to D. So that's what we're gonna do. Set it to D correctly. And it's now waiting the functions. Procedure completed. Continue with proceed. Selector lever must be set to park. So that's what we're gonna do. We do it in a park now, and we can click the proceed button and done. So after adoption you read again the error memory, and there's no error faults in the memory. All very good done. So watch out of your gearbox control unit, because usually these automatic gearbox is pretty bad actually to fix. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck with your gearbox. Bye.